Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. Today we have a 2006 Ford Expedition. So what we're going to do is recharge the AC. Alright, let's go ahead and have this full blast. Cold, AC max. Alright, now let's go under the hood. Alright, so you open the hood, let's go and locate the AC line. So there's two. This one right here. And this one right here. Alright, so you want to recharge it from right here. Let's go and disconnect this. So you can't go wrong because this one, this fitting right here, and one fitting there. Alright, just going to connect it. Alright, so all you have to do is press this. Down. Once you have it in there, just let go. Alright, so once you put this, make sure you shake the can as you press on this, engage on this. Shake it. Alright, just gonna try this. As you can see, it's in the tight spot right here. See, if you try to pull it up, it won't come out. As you can see, it's really low. That's why we don't have cold AC. Alright, let's try to get it to 40. In between 30 and 40. Alright, let's go and start charging it. So as you're doing it, press on this. Go ahead and shake it. See, it's at 30 now. Alright, so you see we're low. Let's try to get between the 30 and 40. So as you're doing it, you're pressing this, shake it. Alright, so just keep doing this. So as you're pressing on it, just go ahead and shake it. Going higher. Alright, so we're getting the car ready for summer, at least up north. It's very hot out there. Right about 30. Let's go to add more. So if you're really low on the free drink, you might need two. As you can see, this is one full. It's already empty now. Right at 30. It's less than 30. So we might need another half. That's it for this one. I'm just going to unplug it. Alright, so that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.